expectation to join this thing is to win for the
Nice.
national and represent South Sumatra. Quote is be yourself and always reach your dreams.
Oke.
Halo semuanya, balik lagi sama aku Malika di IPK 4.00. Ini podcast kita, tapi nggak seperti biasanya. Aku bareng
Halo, mungkin udah sering ketemu sama aku ya, sama Ibu Azalia, dosen teman-teman nih, mungkin udah biasa ketemu ya Malika ya.
Yes.
So, kayaknya hari ini tapi Malika agak sedikit beda ya podcast kita ya.
Kenapa tuh? Oh ya, tapi dari house-nya aja udah 2 ya.
Iya, kalau biasanya kan sama Malika atau tim yang lain ya, terus tiba-tiba kenapa ini ibu dosen ikut di sini ya?
Kenapa tuh, Bu?
Yeah, because today we have a very special guest. So
Wih.
our podcast would be delivered in English ya, this special edition ya Malika ya.
Waduh, siapa tuh, Bu?
Yeah. Okay, I bring a very special guest. This is a very young and multi-talented girl.
Ooh.
So the one that we invite today is Ivana Queen Sharon Meiko, the Little Miss Tionghoa from Sumatera Selatan. Boleh tepuk tangan dong teman-teman dong. Iya, nih hi Queen.
Hi.
Okay. So before that Malika, maybe because it is Little Miss Tionghoa, right? So we would like to invite Queen to say hi to our audience. So biasanya kita sebut audience kita adalah Palcomster. So maybe Queen, would you like to introduce yourself or say hi dulu sama with all the audience here?
Hi, Palcomster.
Hi. Okay. Okay, Malika, because it's Little Miss Tionghoa, right? So, can you say hi in Mandarin? Just a little
yes,
bit.
could you greet us in the Mandarin?
Yeah.
大家好，我叫伊凡娜昆夏人美国，我今年12岁，我住在珠港。
Oh, she's great.
谢谢, right? Is that true?
老师乔安，
Oh, okay.
老师乔安。
What is the meaning? Can you help the audience to understand that?
Hello everyone, my name is Ivana Quinsharan Meko. I am 12 years old, live in Palembang.
Oh, tepuk
wow.
tangan dong,
So-
boleh give applause.
Itu lengkap benar ya. Okay. So we're going to ask you some question here. Maybe you can tell us about your school life. Like, Queen, what are your activities?
My activity is learn and maybe if there's a free time the teacher gave us, we like to play Uno together.
Oh, like Uno.
Oh, at the school. So it's on the break, right?
Yeah. Talking about school, where did you go to school? I mean, what is your school and what grade are you now?
I am grade 7. My school is Rising Star Indonesia.
Oh, Rising Star
That's
Indonesia.
good.
That's the international school, right, in Palembang, right? I heard that your school, there's a native speaker, right, there. So you usually talk with the native teacher from your school.
Yes.
Okay, so English is like your main language ya in the school ya. Very nice Malika ya.
So itu bahasa sehari-harinya ya,
Ya,
Bu, ya?
betul.
Oke, beda dong ya.
Betul.
Sama sekolah kita dulu.
Iya, mungkin sekolah teman-teman. But it's nice, it's very young, multi-talented and in the native language, right? Boleh applause dulu dong teman-teman. It's not easy ya Malika ya, kayak
Iya.
kita. Oke.
Karena bahasa Inggris itu nggak segampang itu ya.
Betul.
Banyak yang perlu dipelajarin.
Oke.
Okay, so next question. What is your hobbies, Gwen?
My hobby is dancing, K-pop dance,
Oh, K-pop.
or maybe like Chinese traditional dance.
Chinese traditional dance. Very nice
That's
ya.
cool.
Unfortunately, this room is not space enough ya.
Yes,
If it
for-
is space enough, we can dance together ya. Because we have Maggie Star here. She's also a dancer.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
From when you start dancing?
Maybe when I was still toddler, I start learning some
Oh.
tricks.
And you love it?
Nice. So maybe because she love it, Malika, then from that hobby, I think because you like to dance and so on. Is there any because some of the people, yeah, start from the hobby, they can make it to the competition.
Yes.
Okay, have you ever joined any competition based on your hobby, something like that?
Well, I do a lot of fashion show competitions.
Wow, fashion show.
Then, since my hobbies is dance and trying to do catwalk, so I try to follow these pageant competitions.
Pageant competition.
Uh, when did you join the pageant things?
When it was like 3 months ago.
3 months
Oh.
ago. Oh, so the
It's
little
recently.
piece, yeah. Okay. So it is from your toddler, for example. Have you ever joined the competition since you are toddler?
Since I was toddler, I like to follow some fashion show competitions
Ah,
and maybe some news anchor.
news anchor. Oh, same like Malika and all this apa Palcomtech broadcasting. So you like to deliver some news and something like that, right?
That's good. It's a broadcasting.
Yeah.
So, Little Miss Tianghua, it's not your first competition, right?
Nope.
Oh, okay.
But this was my first pageant competition.
Oh, the first pageant. Okay.
Pageant, and you're the Little Miss Tianghua right now.
Mhm.
That's good.
Man,
So,
very nice.
what's your activities? Being a Little Miss Tianghua right now.
I do a lot of projects like making video, photo shoot, and maybe trying to do what's called
What? Are you singing or?
what's called yeah. Oh, making a clothes like a costume.
Yes.
Oh, okay, make a costume. Okay. Ah, talking about your activities, Miss Ting Hoa, because actually I already follow you in Instagram. So I saw that a couple weeks ago, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, you just joined some blood donors, right? Is that true? Blood donors?
Yes.
So what did you do there for something?
I try to see how it works,
Okay.
and I let people like come in,
Okay. So
in the
it's
door.
So it's like a social project gitu ya, Malika
Yes.
ya. So you like to beside your beauty pageant, there's another social project in your activity as a Little Miss Tionghoa, right? Very nice. So it's not the pageant is not always about the performance and
Yes.
beauty, right? So about the social, yeah,
Contribution to social.
contribution. Very nice. It's not easy for the Little Miss, yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
When you just like 12 years old, you can just contribute yourself to social easily. But you did. That's good.
Okay. Is there? We're talking about the Little Miss Tionghoa, right, Malika and
Yes.
Queen, right? So I just curious about Tionghoa or Chinese culture. Since you are a Little Miss Tionghoa, right? Could you please share with us, especially in maybe I can ask you about the culture that you know or about the Tionghoa or Chinese culture in Palembang, and the second one maybe about the Chinese culture in your family. So could you please tell us what do you know, and could you tell to the audience too about that?
So the Chinese culture that I know in Palembang is Pulau Kemarau.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Pulau Kemarau, there is a story about Putri Siti Fatimah and Tan Bun An. Tan Bun An is the king. They started to marry with each other, and there is like veggie that is like veggie salt veggie, and then it smells so sour. So they think it was a trash, so they throw it to the river. And then when Tan Bun An saw it, Tan Bun An want to take it. Then Siti Fatimah tried also drowning, and then they both died.
Oh, okay.
So that's why it's became Pulau Kemarau.
Yeah, it's become an island there right now, right? So wow, okay, it's a story, a very story, right, about the culture in Chinese and influence Palembang right now, right?
That's a legend.
That's a legend. It's about the Palembang and it become the tourism right now. How about the culture, Chinese culture in your family? Could you please tell us?
The Chinese culture that I know with my family is Chinese New Year.
Ah,
Nice,
okay.
If you're a kid and you're not married, you could get ang pao.
I like
So-
ang pao.
But if you're not a kid anymore, you can get any alcohol.
If you're not married yet,
Oh.
you could, but if you're married, you can't.
You can. If maybe if I were married, and then I'm the one who's giving the alcohol. Oh, that's sad.
So in your family, so you get a lot of ang pao, right? In the new year, right? That's nice. So I like that. Actually, I also like the food in the Chinese culture in the new year too. What is your favorite Chinese food maybe in the culture, for example, in the new year? Do you have it?
Well, when my grandma cook
Uh-huh.
it, I like to eat what the soup.
The soup, okay. So it's the soup contain what? It's like seafood or something?
It's contain like there is corn,
Corn. Uh-huh.
egg,
Uh-huh.
and yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Oh, it's a corn soup then.
Yes.
Yeah. It's a very personal in the family, right? It's a very special dish, right? Mm-hmm.
Someday when you're just older, you're going to miss that soup.
I guess so. Okay, Queen, it's very enjoyable conversation, Malika, ya.
Of course.
Maybe I just wanna ask one question, Queen. About what is actually your expectation to join this Little Miss Tianghua?
My expectation to join this thing is to win for the
Nice.
national and represent South Sumatra.
Represent
Oh, that's a great idea.
Oh, lipat tangan dong kita.
And you just said earlier that to me that you want to be Miss Universe.
Yes.
Mm.
When I get older though.
Okay, of course. But this Little Miss Tianghua are going to be the first step of your journey to become a Miss Universe. So keep up the great work.
Yeah. Okay. The last maybe to the audience, not okay, for all of us. Yeah,
Yes.
actually, right. As we can wrap this very enjoyable conversation. Do you have any quotes or any kind of motivation words to all the audience, to all Palkomster ya, Malika ya?
Yes, of course.
From your thought maybe?
My quote is be yourself and always reach your dreams.
Okay, be yourself and always reach your dream. Okay. I also yesterday I talked to you about the conversation too. You said that about the trust the process. That's also very nice. Could you please to tell to the audience?
If you want to reach your goal, you need always to trust your process because there is no thing called instance.
Oh, that's
there's nothing
really
instant,
great,
yeah.
said
Okay.
by a 12 years old girl. Well, actually, it is. There's
Yes.
nothing. It's instant in this world.
That's very nice. It's very beautiful words for me.
So hopefully it reacts to for our listeners. So thank you, Queen.
Yes, and also we would like to say a best of luck on your Little Miss Tianghua. Oh, how can we support a Queen to the Little Miss Tianghua Queen?
By voting me.
Okay, by voting Queen. Okay, so maybe after there will be another announcement for the voting, we can vote Queen as a Little Miss Tianghua from South Sumatra, right? Oh, also you're going to the final, right?
Yes.
Yes, in this September.
September 12th.
Okay. September 12th. Okay, guys, September 12th. Please vote Queen as a Little Miss Tionghoa from South Sumatra and would be a winner. Yeah, we hope so.
Yes.
Yeah, Queen.
Hopefully.
And then best of luck. I wish it could be your moment of truth to be the winner as you wish, and the first step, like Malika said, that to become the Miss Universe later when you're getting older. Okay, thank you so much for this very warm and enjoyable conversation, yeah, Queen. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, we're the one who need to say thank you. So it's been a really nice conversation for the three of us, and yeah. Mungkin itu
Maybe
aja ya.
we can close this podcast and see you in the next podcast, maybe. Okay.
Mungkin ada Instagramnya Queen.
Oh yeah, do you have Instagram?
Yes.
Could you please to mention?
My Instagram is Ivana Queen.
Ivana Queen at Ivana Queen.
Yes.
Okay, there will be here ya Ivana Queen. Don't forget to follow.
Jangan
Queen.
lupa di follow dan ditunggu announcement buat voting Little Miss Tionghoa-nya Queen tadi. Jangan lupa di vote ya.
Yes. Oke guys, kita aja Malika.
Itu aja tadi, seru banget obrolan kita sama Queen. Aku dan
Aku dan aku.
aku dan Bu Nadia pamit undur diri. Terima kasih teman-teman. Jangan lupa buat like, comment, and subscribe to Qualcomm Tech TV. I'll see you guys on the next video.
Bye bye. Thank you Queen.
Thank you.